Welcome back to Small Business Review Sunday. And today's small business feature is Nature Crafts jewelry. Now, all the pieces I have today are handmade. They're necklaces, and I want to see if, because I don't have any necklace today, I want to see if all the pieces are actually going to go with this simple outfit that I have on. So let's see. Now, before we get into it, let me say thank you. Thank you for being such great subscribers. Thank you for being such great supporters. I appreciate it. I see you and I love you. And if you want to see more videos like this, comment below and subscribe, because I upload every weekend. I said every Sundays, but I upload every weekend now. I gotta figure out. Anyway, let's see if all these pieces go with my outfit. So we're gonna talk about several things before we head into the actual in-depth and showing you all the necklaces and everything. You know, I have to talk about the customer service. You know, I have to talk about their packaging. You know, I have to talk about the quality and everything. So let me talk about the customer service. Now, Nature Crafts Jewelry is, of course, Guyanese owned. However, the person does not reside in the city or Georgetown. They actually live in the interior. And what they did was send me a few pieces for me to review, all the way from, I'm gonna put the exact location on the screen. I don't want to say the wrong thing. It's someone that I do know, but that doesn't mean that I'm not gonna give an honest review. I'm excited to see and show you all these cute handmade pieces. So the customer service was really great. Their response time was great, and they got them. I was surprised to get the items really quick, in less than a week, which is good. Now let's talk about their social media page, because I'm gonna link everything for them in the description. I'm also gonna put their name on the screen. I think that their social media page needs a little work. So I noticed that they have just an Instagram page and not a Facebook page, which is okay. I mean, if majority of your customers are on IG, why not? But I do think that your page can be more appealing, more bright. I mean, you're selling jewelry, so it comes off a little dull. However, there's several things that you can do that can spruce up your page. So one thing I didn't notice on the Instagram is contact information, which is really important. I mean, persons can DM you, of course. I mean, that's personal. However, you do need to leave either an email address or a contact number that they can reach you on in the event that you don't reply quickly on Instagram direct message. And your bio, I mean, these are handmade, handcrafted, original, authentic pieces. Your bio can be spruced up some more. I feel like you can do so much more with your page and have more engagement with your audience, and more people are going to be drawn to your pages. More people are going to spread by word of mouth. Just liven up the page a little bit. The pieces are beautiful. They speak for themselves. However, your content and the whole social media aspect of the business needs to be more eye-catching, so that your potential customers will be your forever customers. So let's talk about the packaging. Now, the packaging is pretty basic. Let me show you. So some of the pieces actually came in these cute little baggies. I'm sure you've seen these before. I'm pretty sure you've seen them before. So these are really basic, really cute but basic, and then some other pieces came packaged in these, which is also cute. Recommendation: I think that you should have your logo on your packaging. These are really cute to start off with, but as your business grows, I think that's something you may want to invest in. It's pretty normal. I think you can do so much more. So yes, your pieces are absolutely gorgeous, but a signature look that persons can see and recognize Nature Craft from anywhere is gonna be great. The boxes, the choice of boxes for jewelry is always a good one. It brings that surprise when you're popping it open and you can see what's inside. That's great. So yes, you can use these same cute boxes, but maybe gift bags little gift bags, maybe this size instead of the plastic ones, like really cute tiny gift bags to put the boxes in. I feel like that would be great with the gift bag and like your signature on it, your logo on it. That would be great. One thing that I didn't get from Naturecraft that I got from everyone else was a business card, and I believe that they're working on that right now because it's a pretty new business, and that's super important. I hope that you guys get it as soon as possible so that when you do your orders and everything, a card is in there. Now let's get to the exciting part. Your girl late, she have to go out. But let's start off with the pieces. I'm gonna start off with the one in this red box here, but I'm gonna try it on. So this piece is Galaxy Reborn. I think that's a pretty cute name. Let me get close to show you. This is the pendant. It's a purplish, and this is the construction of the chain. Can it go with my outfit though? Let's see. Now all of these are actually made from stones that he finds in the interior. Comment below if it goes with my outfit. Can I wear it with my outfit? The next piece is the Creature Within. Now, it's a serious name. That's a serious name. This is, let me turn it around because, oh, okay, same thing on the other side. This is what it looks like. This is so pretty. This is giving me motherland colors, motherland vibes. This is gorgeous. Pretty. Our next one, let me choose. Distant Mountain. Now Distant Mountain has a stone in it, a stone within a stone. However, this construction is different. I think this one does not have the clasp like these. It has an adjustable strap. This is pretty cute with the stone inside. I think it's okay quality. Let's try on another one. This one is called Future's Mark, and this is my personal favorite. As I said, the quality is okay. However, these tend to burst sometimes. The next one is Into the Blue. This one has beads on it. Cute. I think it can go with this outfit. Yeah. Just vogue. This one here is called Sunny Wave. Sunny Wave is also beautiful. It has this highlighter effect, a stone within a stone. They're beautiful. Sunny Wave is beautiful. I said I like the other one, which was Future something. I like that one, but Sunny Wave is a vibe too. These are all good with my outfit so far. Faith. It's purple, very simple, but still a cute piece. You know what I would really love? If these necklaces had silver, gold, and rose gold chains. With these as the pendant. That'd be signature. Start of Life. This is so pretty. It's green and white. It's giving earthy vibes. So all these pieces looked beautiful with my outfit. And I totally recommend them. As I said, several of them gave motherland vibes and it was just pretty. So my first recommendation would be to spice up your page. Make sure to put your contact information, make sure your content is consistent, make sure you're uploading and engaging with your followers and customers, if not daily, weekly. Ensure that your picture quality is great. Make sure your bio lets your potential customers know exactly what your business is and what you do. Second recommendation is the packaging. It's pretty basic, it's still cute, but we want that wow, like, oh, this is beautiful. I'm excited to open my package. So what I recommended was a nice cute gift bag with your signature on it and your business card inside. You get me, right? Now the quality of the necklaces, they're good. What I do recommend is to cater for the persons that may not just want to wear the black string. Cater for persons that want to wear the pendant with maybe a gold chain or a silver chain. And for girls like me that love a rose gold chain, cater for us with the pendant. I think it'll be very pretty. So it's giving stylish, but still giving that natural vibe that you want to give off with your pieces. One thing I also noticed is that the prices weren't on the page. I'm not sure why. I'm not sure if it's because each piece is different and I'm not sure what it is. If it's a case where you don't want to put your prices on every picture, maybe put in your bio or in a highlight like, okay, this is my price range for the necklaces, this is the price for custom made necklaces. So continue the hard work, continue doing this. I mean, persons are now into all different types of jewelry, and so there is a market for it. There are so many people that love handcrafted jewelry and would buy you out in a hurry. So make sure to take your time and put more and more effort into the work. Be consistent with it. Ensure that your packaging is eye-catching, appealing, beautiful. Ensure that your customer service continues to be as great as it is. Always keep improving your brand. Don't for a second just get comfortable and get lazy because, okay, you're getting sales. Continue to put that work in. Do not stop. These are so beautiful, so beautiful. As I said, I gave my recommendations and it's up to you now. So if you guys want to shop from Nature Crafts Jewelry and support another Guyanese business, another small business, and this one is all the way in the interior, that's willing to send your jewelry all the way to town. This is their Instagram page.